And get a time, sure.
Yeah.
Just put your hand up here. Oh my god, it's the one with yellow lights.
Oh. Roof shot. Oh yeah, it's a 150 roof shot.
She's got a name. See what I mean? How loud it can get due to how close we are. This is the top spot of the estuary. If you move down and zoom in over there, you can get a better shot. Higher. There. And you get an even better shot. I see it. There she is.
Oh yeah.
Is that a 166? It's a 166. Load of geese in that photo.
There she is again, the same one.
Brent geese. Those are my favourite geese.
Whoa!
Yes. I got it in the Voyager shot.
I did too.
That's cool. Me and my dad love Brent geese. I'm not quite sure about my brother. He's lazy. '66 179 and '66 154.
Thank you for that information, Jake.
And the RHT2 St Blazy from Westbury. Now listen to them.
They are loud. That's a small freight train, isn't it?
Yes, a wee killer. But be quiet so then they can hear the growl. If you know what I mean. Listen to that.
The machine's going insane over here.
They've just had one tackle another one off a branch.
Yeah. Off camera as well.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. Pigeons flying over the estuary.
Look at this.
And the seagull. Whoa! Tons of birds.
Mm.
This is a great spot.
So if you come where I am,
Yeah.
so there. There's a woodpecker behind us.
Where?
Near it. Pecking on the wood. Turn around really carefully because you are on a cliff edge and if that falls you've had it. Come off this way.
I'll hope for woodpecker.
Be careful what you do next. If you fall down there you've lost your life.
So over there where the M5 is. And over here. There is where double.
Railway is.
Yep, double IET. That's where. This is where the double IET is. For now, anyway.
god, is that who I think it is?
What?
I see some sort of branding on the front engine.
Don't often get a town car anymore, do you?
Not really, but there's some sort of branding in the middle. Like if you zoom into the middle of the train, like well into the middle of the train, the one on the left, keep going that way. Yeah, in the middle, there seems to be some sort of branding on it. Oh my god!
Damn, that's loud. Isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to stand right on the edge. You don't, okay? I'm risking my life for this. Like you did with the bus when you could have fallen onto the floor of the bus shower.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, it's glitching.
So you didn't do the horn?
No, she's not supposed to horn. Not here anyway.
Ooh. Oh! Random flock of seagulls.
Favourite geese.
Where? Oh, there.
I know I'm 50. It's like 238.
And another flock of geese.
Yes, go.
Ooh.
That is 238. That's a blue one.
Is it?
That's a blue one.
So she's running there, is she? Two blue ones, is it?
No, just one. I've seen 219. You haven't. I don't think. I think you have seen 219.
No, I've seen her bunch of times. Oh! Why are there so many flocks of geese?
Because they're all going for height.
Ooh. Who's she coupled up to?
150, 266. I think 266 is getting lucky. She coupled up to 158. She coupled up to 219. Now she's coupled up to 238. Nice, lovely, and lucky 150.
Also very loud on 5238.
Yeah. Little egret.
Oh, lots of a seagull.
Nah, it's an egret. Now let's zoom into these. I'll let you know when she's there. Keep your. There she is. No, you got it.
Oh, she's just about stopping now.
Yeah, stops in Lympstone Village. Oh my god, there's a plane, there's a plane. Turn the camera, turn the camera. Look, up there. Look at that.
Whoa. Oh, wait. There she is.
I don't know why, but I always find it so.
And the helicopter crossover.
Yep. That helicopter is the ambulance. Oh my god.
What? Oh, yeah. Wait, Who was that one?
249 and someone else, whoever.
265.
24.
Mm. 152.38. 152.38 and 152.66. 152.66 is be very lucky. 47092. I'm 15251 both leaving. That's it. She hasn't changed. 15251 has changed, but 47092 hasn't. What? Two upstairs solos. 47103 and 47092. And 15251. Pigeons are going insane. Beep! That was satisfying. They're all running over. Oh. Sorry, how rare is this?
A brown pigeon. And a white one.
Beep.
The brown one's coming.
Oh! Haven't got to take them off her yet. She's got new logo. She's got local. She's got local logo, but we call it free. Let's see if I can have a look around 10690. £10,690. I don't know. Beep. Oh, 10690. Whoa. Oh my. John. Oh, a black one. Three 236 and 10690. So, oh, pigeons.
You pick your tickets up.
Yeah.
Do you want that one?
Oh yeah.
You will. Alright, darling.
36242. W811 CGV. Plus the flock of pigeons. We're doing about to fly the coach. Seagull eating the pigeon trail.
Hang on, let me just look
I was up on Pepsi slightly. 15251 is leaving. One 5665. Four 47092. Rather squeaky. $10,690. 47092 and 15665. That was right. That was a big old one. Where's she off to? He must have a problem. She is coping.
Fed up from not seeing you.
48006, let's get a ticket from her. Whoa! Just to see these. 2 flocks! Whoa! Let's see. What? $10,690. SN66 GVA. She. Well, 5251 again. And then 36239, we haven't got a ticket from her yet. 36239. Crossover. I think I see them. 36242, 15251 and pigeons. Well, 5251 and 36242.
It's just one of them, like, come up to me and everyone bad now.
Pigeons are still resting. 10,690 again. See if we can finally get a ticket from her.
There she is. Here's 4690.
$10,455 is there.